Hey, good afternoon, everyone. It's Rob from Futures Networks Live. Today, we're going to show you how to restore your charts. A lot of times, unfortunately, we close our charts before exiting Ninja. And when that happens and we save, when we exit out of the control center and we've closed our charts, we're actually saving nothing. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to restore your charts. So this is what happens, when you close your charts first. You exit out of your Ninja, you save your workspace, and what happens when you save your workspace with no charts, you're saving literally nothing. So I'm going to go ahead and reopen Ninja here, and we're going to restore this. You're going to see that I'm going to have no charts. And as Ninja comes up, you'll see the control center, and I have no charts. So if this happens to you, it's a real easy way to restore your charts. One of the features I love about NinjaTrader. Pretty simple here. You just go to Tools, Database Management, third from the top. Third from the bottom is Restore Workspace. So what we're going to do is we're going to restore a previously saved date. This is another good reason why you want to save your workspace multiple times throughout the day. We'll go over that here in a minute. Go ahead and open that up. Click on Restore. Now you're going to get the recovery folder found in Documents, NinjaTrader, Workspaces. You're going to go to the most recent date. You're going to open that up. And you can see here, I have 1 KB. I have no charts. So this is not the folder or the file that I'm looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and go back. I can use my back arrow here. I'm going to go to main 8622. I'm trying to find a bigger folder, okay? A bigger file. I'm going to open that up, and here we go. I'm going to go to the most recent date modified, and what I want to do is look for the biggest size. So for a lot of people, this may be anywhere between 250 to 1,000 KB. If you've got multiple charts, then you may have as much as 3,000 KB like I do. I'm going to go ahead and highlight that. I'm going to click on Open. We're going to let it restore here. And there's our chart we had previously saved. So what I'm going to do now is exit out of the database area. I'm going to go to Workspaces, and you can see here, I've got a couple here that really I don't need anymore. I know that they're no good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save the one that just was restored. And how you know which one to save is you see the green file folder there. That means that that's the one that's active. This gray one is actually running in the background, and you don't want that. If you have any gray folders, you want to close those, okay? Because that's taking up resources on your computer. What I am going to do first is rename this one. And we're going to go save as, and let's just title it main 8.6.2022. We're going to click save. We're going to overwrite the previous one. We're going to go back to our workspaces. Now you can see we've renamed it. We're going to go ahead and remove these restored ones. So we're going to click remove, yes. Remove, yes. And there you go. We've got our charts back. So again, how you exit NinjaTrader, or when you exit NinjaTrader, do not exit your chart. Just go up to the top of your control center, click on the X, and then ask you if you want to save your workspace. Click yes. So you're saving your chart, and you're good to go. Again, thanks so much. We're showing you how to restore your charts on NinjaTrader. Be sure you check out Futures Networks Live on YouTube. We've got a lot of other tips and videos and live trading sessions you can watch. Take care, folks.